Five Love Languages, introduced by Dr. Gary Chapman, describes how we human gives and receive love. Hello my dear ones, I'm Dr. Kashika Jain. I'm clinical psychologist. In this video, I will explain in detail about those five love languages. So watch this video till end to strengthen your relationship with your partner. But before I begin, I want you to download my mobile app. Just type my name, Dr. Kashika Jain. You will find my mobile app. Download it. Do breathing exercises daily and experience powerful meditation also daily. Now, let's understand. So the first language is language of powerful words. When you express your love and care through words, like you say, I love you, I care you are important for me, when I spend time with you, it feels so amazing. These kind of powerful words make your partner feel seen, noticed, important. They feel good. When you acknowledge their achievements, you say, you did it really amazingly. You are powerful. I'm so proud of you. You are the best. These kind of powerful words make them feel you notice their efforts, you acknowledge their achievements. They are important to you. Just be mindful when you say something good. Your tone, your expressions must match what you are saying. If there is mismatch among your tonality, your expression in your words, then your partner will not feel good. They will notice you are just saying for the sake of saying. So to make them really feel good, you need to be careful about your tone, your expressions as well. Now the second language is language of quality time. When you give undivided attention to your partner, they feel really good. When you don't use your mobile phone while communicating to them, you are simply hearing them mindfully, noticing their expressions, and you rephrase what they just said. You communicate with them well. Even if you are not communicating verbally, silently, you are conveying them you are important. You are the most important person in this moment because you are giving your undivided attention, your quality time, and your partner feel loved, cared, seen, very important, deeply in love with you. So always give your partner that quality time because it really gives lots of peaceful feeling. It's a kind of blissful moment. And the third language is language of gifts. When you express your love and care through gifts, doesn't matter it's expensive one or the ordinary one, but you express your love through gifts, your partner feels good. It can be a stick of rose or a chocolate or some jewelry or perfume. It can be anything. Small gesture by giving a gift of their choice make them feel really valued. They feel they are actually valuable for you. You are concerned about them. You can make them feel good just by ordering their favorite food. While returning to home, you can carry their favorite fruit or food with them and you can sit together, you can enjoy your food. You can surprise them with some random gifts, just a love chit. So when you put these kind of efforts, they feel really important. They feel they really hold a great place in your life. Now the fourth love language is language of actions. When you do something for your partner, like you help them in daily chores, you help them in their work, like if they are busy in their office work, you're simply trying to make efforts to shift their burden. So, small gestures, small actions, small acts of kindness, which shifts their burden, make them feel really happy and important. When you notice your partner is very tired, you simply hug your partner and rub their feet, or simply press their shoulders, or just give them a massage. Your small acts make them feel really good and they feel loved, cared. Now, the fifth language is language of gentle touch. When you are with your partner, you gently touch them, you hold their hand, you kiss them, you hug them, you touch their shoulder. They feel really loved, valued, seen, very important for you, and they feel really good. But you must touch them without any sexual intimacy intention. That touch must be gentle, not the painful touch. Because every time if you touch with sexual intention, they don't feel good. Because your partner wants your gentle touch between the conversation, or random you are going somewhere, or even you are among few members of your family or socially. They crave for your touch. So that gentle touch make them feel really valued. They feel they are really valuable for you and they are holding a really very special place in your life. So hug your partner, kiss your partner, hold their hand more often as you get the chance. Make sure they don't feel uncomfortable. It must be a gentle touch. So, my dear, these were the 5 love languages introduced by Dr. Gary Chapman. You need to figure out what is most important for your partner, and also you need to understand what is your love language. So, usually we have one primary language and one is secondary. Although we all need all 5 flavors, but one language dominates us. We really crave for that way to feel loved. For example, someone may have their primary love language as language of words, and the secondary love language is language of actions, and other person may have the primary language of gifts, and the secondary language is language of physical touch. So we all may have different combinations. At some amount, we need a bouquet, like a flavor of all these 5 languages, but one language is really holds our mind, like we want it at any cost. Unless our partner shows their affection in that way, we don't feel loved, we don't feel noticed. For example, if someone's language is language of touch or language of gifts, and other person is just expressing love by saying I love you and not touching that person, not giving something as a token of love to that person will not feel loved. If you really want to make your partner feel loved, just communicate with them in their language. What mistake people usually do? They communicate love and care in their language. They forget to communicate with their partner in their language. So you need to figure it out what is most important for your partner. Just give some trial, and when you notice how your partner feels loved, cared, valued, prioritized, figuring out this is very easy. Just you need to notice how your partner feels happy. And once you notice, or just ask your partner, how can I make you feel more loved, more seen, more valued? And what they say, just take the words seriously. Give value to their expression and start communicating with your partner in their love language. And notice the changes in their energy. Notice that your relationship is now nurturing even more. You both feel so comfortable with each other. You are now valuing each other even more. Because when you communicate with your partner in their love language, they feel happy and they respond you back in your love language. So it is not only about one partner, both the partner must put their best efforts to make a relationship very powerful, fulfilling, satisfying. So, my dear ones, I hope you all understood it well. Now, it's your time to communicate with your partner in their love language. Openly express your love language and also understand their love language and strengthen your relationship so that you can live a fulfilling relationship. All the best to you and your partner. Now, a small request, share this video to other couples so that they can also strengthen their relationship. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so. It means a lot to me. And leave a beautiful comment for me. I will see you in the next video. Take care.